Hi everyone, I'm Emma, and today I'll show you how to improve your English with your hobbies and connect with fluent speakers. Emma wanted to learn English, but she didn't know how to start. One day, her friend Jack said, Emma, learning English is like a hobby. You just need to practice every day. Emma thought about it. She loved painting. Every day she painted something new. If I can learn painting, I can learn English too, she said. She started watching English videos about painting. She learned words like colors and canvas. She listened carefully and repeated the words. Then she started reading simple English books about art. Some words were difficult, but she used a dictionary. Every day, Emma practiced speaking English with Jack. She said, Today I painted a blue sky. Jack smiled and said, Great. Keep going. After a few months, Emma could talk about her hobby in English. She felt happy and confident. One day, Emma decided to join an online art class. The teacher spoke only in English. At first, Emma felt nervous, but she listened carefully. The teacher said, Mix red and blue to make purple. Emma followed the instructions and smiled. She was learning both painting and English at the same time. She also made new friends in the class. One friend, Lisa, was from Canada. Lisa said, Emma, your painting is beautiful. Emma answered, Thank you, I love painting. Lisa and Emma started chatting every day. They talked about their hobbies, families, and favorite colors. Emma made some mistakes, but Lisa helped her. Emma also started writing a journal in English. She wrote about her day, her paintings, and her dreams. Every week she saw improvement in her writing. After 6 months, Emma felt more confident. She could talk to people in English, watch English videos, and even write stories about her paintings. One day her teacher asked, Emma, do you want to teach a beginner class? Emma was surprised. Me? Teach? Yes, the teacher said. You worked hard, and now you can help others learn English too. Emma smiled. Learning English had become her favorite hobby. And now she could share it with others. Emma was excited but also a little scared. Can I really teach? She thought. But then she remembered how she started learning English step by step, like a hobby. She decided to give it a try. In her first class, she had 3 students. They were beginners, just like she had been a few months ago. Emma smiled and said, Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, we will learn English with art. She showed them a simple drawing of a tree. This is a tree, she said. What color is it? One student answered, Green. Emma clapped. Yes, great job. She used her paintings to teach new words. Sun, sky, flower, brush, water. The students repeated after her. Over time, Emma became more confident. She found creative ways to teach. She played games, told stories, and encouraged her students to speak. One day, her friend Jack visited her class. After watching her teach, he said, Emma, you are an amazing teacher. Emma smiled. She never thought learning English would bring her here. But now, English was more than just a language, it was a part of her life. Just like painting. She looked at her students and said, Learning English is like a hobby. Keep practicing, and one day you will be great too. And so, Emma continued her journey, helping others while still learning herself. After a few months of teaching, Emma started thinking bigger. What if I can teach more people? She wondered. One day Lisa, her Canadian friend, had an idea. Emma, why don't you start a YouTube channel? You can teach English and art together. Emma was surprised. Me? Make videos? Lisa nodded. Yes, you are a great teacher. Many people want to learn English in a fun way. Emma thought about it. She was nervous, but she decided to try. She set up her phone and started recording. Hello everyone, my name is Emma. Today, I will teach you English with painting. She showed a simple drawing of a house and said, "This is a house. Can you say house?" She painted a blue sky and said, "Sky, the sky is blue." At first, only a few people watched her videos, but she didn't give up. Every week, she made new videos. Slowly, more people started watching. One day, she woke up and saw 1,000 subscribers on her channel. She was so happy. Wow, people like my lessons. She read the comments. Many people said, "Thank you. Emma. Your videos helped me learn English." Emma felt proud. She had started as a student, then became a teacher. And now she was helping people all over the world. She smiled and said, "Learning English changed my life. And now I can help others too." From that day on, Emma continued her journey, teaching with passion and inspiring people everywhere.